be 3. Because look, guys, this is what I'm saying to you. If you set it here, and you set it to 1.5 right here, it's going to be 1.5 on this side, which gives you your 3. So you divide it. Does that make sense? Yeah. Otherwise, if you set it to 3 here, you'd also have 3 on that side, which would be 6, which is not what we're looking for. That's the whole problem with this whole thing, is that's the hardest part. Now, you need to color your planet. You need to color it to what the planet would look like. You need to label your planet. That means if it's Earth, you label it Earth. You can include whatever else you want. If you want to include the asteroid belt, the rings, moons, whatever else you want to do, you can do. You taking this home? You going to put it on this is going to be a podcast? Now I'm kind of nervous. Here's what you're going to get. You're getting a 4-meter piece of adding machine tape. Most of you guys probably haven't ever seen adding machine tape, have you?
I have one in the cash register, right? Oh, you are such a copycat.
Here's the other key. Here's the other key that people don't do. You'll start with one side. It doesn't really matter how big. Don't make the sun huge, but make a sun down here. From the edge of the sun, the first one will be 3.6 centimeters. You'll put the planet. The next one is 6.7 centimeters. Do not go back. Don't go to the planet you just drew. So from Mercury, you don't just go to Venus. Go back to the sun, measure out. Each time you go back to the sun and measure out. These are distances from the sun, not from the planet closest to it. Does that make sense? Go back to the sun each time. When I say sun, I'm talking about S-U-N, not S-O-N.
Thank you for specifying.
Well, some people are... So, you're going to get a couple things. You're going to get a compass. You're going to get a stick. Again, compasses are pointy and sharp, and yeah, you can poke, let's see if he's friends. Yeah, you can poke your neighbor. Don't do it. These, you can obviously sword fight and hit people with. Please don't do it. Okay? These right here will not be going home with you, so we're going to work on it in class. Tomorrow, keep in mind, this class, as far as I know, will be shortened because of the last cat's dry run.
Oh, good. I like dry.
We love dry runs.
She hates it.
We love the dry run.
I don't have insurance.
Okay, now, can we get people to raise hands if they have questions?
No.
Buellers? So you're telling me everybody understands how to do this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good question. Okay. You don't need to get up today, because I'm going to help you guys, because I feel like helping today. I'm going to come by with when you're finished with it, you're going to have to store it.
What's wrong with it?
When you store it, listen to me. Roll it up, put the paper clip on it, and this will help out tremendously if you put your name, after you roll it up, you put your name nice and neat on the outside. Because a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll put their name back where they started, they'll roll it up, and I've done this for years, and then they'll put their paper clip on it. To find out whose it is, guess what we have to do? We have to take the paper clip off and unroll it to find out who the heck